Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to do a little winter outfits, get dressed with me. I did one of these for fall and you guys seem to really like it, so I want to share with you 5 of my favorite outfits that I'm kind of using to transition from the fall into winter. And my style this winter, I'm going for cozy textures, layers, coats, all things warm and cozy. Basically this video is going to be kind of like a lookbook meets I get dressed with me meets an outfits of the day week situation. I'm going to share with you how I build and put together an outfit. I think that's really important when getting dressed. It's easy to just look in your closet and be like, okay, but to know how to pair things and style them together, like whether it's tucking certain things in, whether it's layering different colors over it, fabrics, materials, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to teach you how I'm building each and every single outfit, why I paired what together, and walk you through 5 of my favorite outfits that I'm either already starting to wear as we're transitioning into winter, or that I'm planning to wear a ton this winter. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Before we do go ahead and jump on in, I do want to say a big shout out to Stitch Fix for partnering with me on today's video. So whether you yourself are having some struggles in terms of how to put together outfits, you just don't have time to go to the store to purchase things, if you've never heard of Stitch Fix, they will solve your problems in that category. So basically, you hop on over to stitchfix.com, sign up, take a style profile quiz that kind of gets to know like what you're currently wearing, what you currently gravitate towards, whether that's different from what you're wearing or you want to try something new, whatever the case may be, or you're just looking for good basics to continue to wear within your wardrobe, whether it be for work or your personal life or going out on the town. What I really like about it is the stylist gets to know your personal style from that quiz. They also get to know your preferences in terms of budget, which I think is huge. And then they also focus on lifestyle, what sort of things you're doing. If you're a toddler mom, certain things like that, those questions that are super key, Stitch Fix knows them. So once you take the quiz, you pay $20 to have the stylist curate your box that they're going to send to you. So they select 5 different items and go ahead and send it off to you, and you can correspond in terms of talking with your stylist and saying what you do and don't like, so that way they can get a better feel for it. And that $20 that you paid for the stylist just goes towards whatever you purchase from inside that box. They do free shipping and free return, so anything you don't like, whether it's style or fit or anything like that, you tell your stylist why and you send it back, and you don't pay for anything you don't like. So you try it before you buy it, which you guys know I'm huge with try before you buy, because I want to see how it all works within my wardrobe, shoes, all that sort of stuff. They have shoes, accessories, everything. And this would be the perfect gift to give somebody. So if you've got somebody on your gift list that is either A, into fashion, like huge, they maybe are entering a new era in their life, whether they're leaving a job, getting a new job, graduating college, they're a new mom, whatever the case may be, treating them to a Stitch Fix gift card is the perfect option, because you're gifting them essentially their new favorite pair of jeans, their new favorite shoes, the new coat that they didn't know that they wanted or needed, and they get to customize it and pick it and work with the Stitch Fix stylist to decide what they want. So I absolutely love this idea, because it's more of an interactive gift card. It's not like here's a gift card for whatever. It's like you're giving a gift plus an experience. So if you have somebody on your list who's either a fashionista, or maybe that they're wanting to improve their style or actually hone in on their style, give them the gift of a stylist with Stitch Fix. I'm gonna go ahead and link all the details in the description box down below. Again, big shout out to Stitch Fix for partnering with me. I'm gonna show you some of the looks that I picked up myself. They have so much cute stuff. You yourself are bound to find something you like, and the person that you gift the gift card to is bound to find something they like. Okay, so starting with the base of this outfit, I'm not normally somebody who likes turtlenecks, but this is so lightweight and airy that it feels just so good. Like, it doesn't feel like I'm like suffocating. And then I'm somebody who really, once I find a pair of jeans that I like, I don't stray from jean brands. Like, I stick with what I want. I'm so happy that my Stitch Fix stylist selected these jeans for me. So cute. And you guys know I've been trying to add a ton more coats to my life since moving to the Midwest. How great is this? Perfect jacket to layer on over sweaters or this turtleneck. This is so cute. So base layer is on. I just have this white tee and black jeans, and now I'm gonna layer over some denim. So more denim. I want this denim shirt to kind of be the star. So I can't decide how I fully want it buttoned, but I'm thinking fully with like a front tuck or something. Maybe not even a front tuck, maybe just kind of open. I don't know yet. Okay, let's continue to button a little bit more though. Thinking I just want the white shirt to peek out a touch. I don't know what the heck happened to all my other denim shirts. I think I eventually all made them into like swim cover-ups and they're in my swimsuit stuff. But then I have red. I love red and blue like this, and I just never wear it because I didn't have black jeans in the past. So I think, oh yeah, this is cute. I love it. I love it. I mean, pretty much every single outfit you see is gonna have a sweater over the shoulders. Why? Because I love sweaters over the shoulders. So a trick you can do with this, whether if this is too bulky for you, I don't think it's personally too bulky, but if it is, you can simply just do it like you do socks. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like how you cuff socks together, like such. You could do it like that if you like less bulk. But like I said, the bulkier the better. No, I'm just kidding. You can also tuck it in like, I love the denim on denim, but different kinds of denim. And yeah, I love everything about this outfit. Let's put on shoes and tie in the way. I think it'll be cute. So let's go ahead and throw these on. So typically I keep my accessories pretty much the same. My hair is falling out everywhere. Gold hoops with a gold watch. I like these sneakers with it. It's kind of a masculine feeling outfit, but in all the right ways. I'm kind of here for it. Let's throw on a pair of sunnies though, and maybe like a reddish lip would look cute. I have this little cherry bomb from Summer Friday. Just kind of a sheer red, nothing too crazy. Yes. Oh, I think this is like the epitome of 90s. Denim shirts, denim like jackets, button-ups if you will. I feel like it's so 90s. Converse, the sunnies, everything. What do we think? I'm kind of here for it. Let's move on to outfit number 2. We're gonna keep this red, these red vibes going. I'm gonna swap out the jeans for these. So let's take off the shoes and pop on these guys. I actually want to keep these shoes, but I need to take them off for the sake of taking off these pants. So let's do that. Go ahead and remove this denim shirt. We're gonna keep the white shirt on underneath. So let's do a full tuck in, or at least a front tuck. Like such. I'm going to take this little cardigan. I love that it's red and I like full button front cardigans. I want a little bit of the white poking up, but I just am gonna do a one button up at the top. No, I'm not. I don't love that. I don't love that on me right now. I like that. Okay, again, super basic, super simple. Really cute. This is a moment when I wish I really had a long trench coat that was navy, but I don't. All right, for the next outfit, we're completely changing everything. So I'm gonna change into a white long sleeve and some navy blue trousers. All right, so navy pants with a white t-shirt. We're gonna make this look a bit more like sporty and not so, oh, I should have got some of those Rankies out, you know? My bad. Sorry, guys. So we're gonna make this look sporty with a couple of different things. So let me show you that. So I'm gonna first scrunch up the sleeves. I'm gonna throw on a baseball cap. The ultimate way to dress down like any outfit is a baseball cap and sneakers. So there we have the base. And then, yes, you're never gonna stop me from my sweater over the shoulders. I think this you could throw on and make it like a full, like I said, it can complete the outfit, or it can just go over the shoulders. Love it! Okay, look numero 4. We're gonna do another cardi, but I'm gonna go no shirt underneath it. I love this little black cardigan with the gold buttons. So stinking cute and very like girly and feminine. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it all the way in. So I just feel like this gives a little bit more of a dressy look of it versus not. You like show off the definition of your waist a little bit more, cinch it in. So cute. Love the glasses with it. I feel like it's very like, I don't know, this gold button cardigan is just so cute to me. Very soft, very nice fitting. I love these jeans specifically with flats. I just think they hit at the right point. There's a little bit of pooling over the foot, but not too much on me. So I love it. So here is Look number 4, very basic, very simple, very classic, but styled and like tucked in different ways, and I just think it's really cute. And I like to roll my sleeves and throw on gold jewelry to accent the buttons, and that's it. My go-to. Okay, last and final outfit, I'm going to go ahead and throw on a pair of baggy jeans and a button up, and we'll show you where it goes from there. So I love pairing structure like the button up, but it's oversized with oversized pants. I just think so cute. I used to think that stripes were only for like summertime, and that's just like not how I look at them anymore. So yeah, very happy I've matured since then. These have quickly become my favorite pair of jeans. Like the perfect amount of like loose and baggy. I love them. But paired with a button up, I just think it's really, really cute. So we're gonna full tuck, well, front tuck. Front tuck both pieces though. And then I feel like I need some height because these are like very big and baggy. So this is the base. I'm gonna throw on a jacket. Another cozy layer, and then how this looks. It's a vision in my head. No, I kind of love it. Ooh, yes. Okay, sunnies. Let's do the brown ones to wrap in the brown in the jacket and the brown in the belt. I kind of love it. I love the sweater over the jacket. It's extra warmth, it's extra style. Again, I know not many people like it, but I do. And the belt, I think, is kind of fun. You guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Styling 5 different outfits headed into the winter season, how you can look layered and warm, but still stylish and cute. And again, if you are looking to give the gift of a style change or a style inspiration, whether it be someone who is transitioning to a different stage in their life, or you're just looking to gift them something that you know they will love, go ahead and check out the description box down below to see how you can get yourself a Stitch Fix gift card for that special person in your life. Again, big shout out to them for partnering me on today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know what your favorite outfit was down below, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye.